Hello and welcome to this guided body scan meditation. Our focus during this meditation will be on letting go of tension and feelings of craving complete control over every aspect of our lives. This meditation was designed to practice laying down, so I suggest you find a comfortable spot and slowly begin to settle down. When you feel ready, close your eyes and place one hand flat on your chest and the other hand flat on your belly. Feel your body move beneath your fingers as you breathe. Slowly begin to deepen your breath. Breathe into your diaphragm and then slowly exhale. Inhale as deep as you can and feel your chest slowly expand. Breathe in and slowly breathe out. Focus on the feeling of rejuvenating oxygen filling every single cell of your being. Allow it to travel through your veins and into every single corner of your body. As you keep breathing, I would like you to start at the head and try to relax your face. Make sure there's no tension around your eyes, mouth, or temples. Relax your shoulders and allow them to rest for a moment. Your body can support itself. And now you can move down to your torso. Feel your chest rise and fall, and scan it for any unpleasant or tense sensations. Breathe in relaxation, and as you breathe out, try to let go. Then you can move down to your pelvis and legs. Let your hips fall into their natural, relaxed position and observe your legs and the way they feel in this very moment. Let go. Next, I want you to ever so slightly move your fingers and toes. Allow yourself to feel all the sensations that occur. Don't fight it. Simply accept the sensations and then let them go. Allow them to exit your body and your mind. And now, observe your body as a whole. Start where we began this body scan, at the top of your head. Slowly travel all the way down to your toes and scan your body for tight spots. Release any remaining tension and discomfort. Allow your body to follow its natural way of being. Let go of the need to constantly control it. And now, last but not least, gently observe your thoughts. How do you feel in this very moment? You are physically relaxed, and all you need to do is to try and let go of any feelings of fear or uneasiness. Let go of all the subconscious thoughts and allow yourself to simply be. Welcome changes and new experiences in your life. Allow yourself to relax and stop trying to dominate, micromanage, and discipline your body and your mind. Allow yourself to be whatever you need to be in any given moment. Take your time. You can stop reacting and start responding. The main difference between the two is taking your time to think things through instead of acting on an impulse. Remember, your breath is there whenever you feel the need to slow down. Slow down, take a deep breath, think, and then respond. You can now slowly reconnect with your natural breathing rhythm and begin to gradually open your eyes. Thank you for listening to this guided meditation.